You could scream and holler, man. Mud on it.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
That's a beautiful bull, Chris. Congrats. Six by, he might have more on that. 5 by 6. Oh, 4 by 6. He's missing the eye guard. That's all right. Massive.
I can't believe it. Oh my gosh.
Wish we'd have got that on video.
Oh my gosh, that was so awesome. Woo.
Bull was in the pond drinking with all of his cows, and all of a sudden everything started leaving fast, and Chris made a heck of a shot as they were exiting the pond.
Oh my God.
We've been listening to this bull bugle for hours.
Yeah.
Finally,
3 hours probably.
Finally they showed up. What do you think, Chris?
That's amazing. That was exactly the way I envisioned something like this. Unbelievable.
Chris from Mississippi.
Unbelievable.
Sweet.